If you're bullish on oracles and you're bullish on AI, I think I just found the 100x gem for you. Welcome to Cali Crypto. My name is Dennis. I made this YouTube channel to help you get information so you can invest accordingly within the crypto market. Again, mind you, none of this is financial advice. This is for education purposes only. Let's get into the video. Insert Orai chain. So Orai, ORAI is the ticker. Currently sitting at $2.16. This is an AI oracle play. So if you're familiar with how Chainlink works, Chainlink is an oracle that gets real world data and blockchain data and verifies the truth. Chainlink is the truth seeker within data that provides crypto projects truth. And then you throw an AI on there to verify all that data. You have what is Orai, sitting at 30 million.4 market cap. Again, small cap gem. Do your own research. Risk reward is high here. Currently sitting at $500,000 worth of trading volume over the last 24 hours, which is exactly what I want to be seeing for projects that have this low of a market cap. I want to be seeing liquidity. Circulating supply sitting at 14 million out of a max supply of 19 million. So we still have some dilution to go through. But again, this is exactly what I want to be seeing if I want to be a long-term investor into this project. If you guys remember earlier this year, we had the AI boom from like January going into like early this summer, and crypto AI projects went nuts. So Orai chain really has potential to do numbers over the next bull cycle. This is one that I'm going to keep my eye on. Let's continue. So over the max time of Orai chain's existence, we hit a peak market cap of roughly $61 million. So again, still at its all-time high, we did not even manage to get serious, right? We came out earlier in 2020. We're in a bear market. We had this little accumulation phase of what it looks like. And now we're sitting roughly at, some decent prices. Seems like somebody pumped this bag. We're sitting 139% above the all-time low, again, which is something to consider when you're investing. Over the last 30 days, we've done 36% to the upside. So that's what I'm seeing on CoinGecko. As of right now, this is a good buy. This is a good buying opportunity, especially if you're looking at dollar cost average. From a fundamental standpoint, I think Orai chain has the potential to do numbers over the next bull cycle. So let's go onto the website and do some further digging. So Orai chain, this is their website. You're seeing broadcast trustworthy proofs. So via their scaling solution, ZK and Optimism rollups, which is again super bullish. That is a huge narrative that's coming about within the layer 2 game. So again, you have AI, you have Oracle, and you're built on the scaling solution of ZK and Optimism rollups. That trifecta makes a very bullish argument for this protocol. Their services, so they offer AI oracles, which again, think like Chainlink, but with AI, the AI will help validate the data and to make sure that the oracle is doing its job well. It also has a AI marketplace, which is very similar to Singularity Net and Ocean's protocol. Marketplace where you can have AI protocols implemented into your blockchains. So ultimately, the website's giving me a really good feel. We have some pretty good partners: Injective Protocol, Oasis, Alchemy, and Doorhacks. Doorhacks I haven't heard of. Tron, which is very reputable, and yeah, so we have some pretty reputable partners that are backing this coin. Again, this is exactly what you want to see. You have AI, you have oracles, you have an AI marketplace, you have reputable partners. From a fundamental standpoint, Orai chain is looking really good. So if we go back to the market cap, right, we're sitting at $30 million worth of market cap. How well could we do over a bull cycle is something that we have to ask ourselves. So two comparisons that I want to look at are Link, because again, we are an oracle. Link at its all-time, right now sitting at $4 billion at its all-time high market cap. We were sitting at roughly 20 billion, right? Now let's go to another comparison, which is Singularity Net, sitting at $207 million worth of market cap, and then its all-time high market cap was roughly 600 million, 600 million, some change, 606 million, right? So 606 million, it looks like it'll went a little higher, but 606 million. So knowing that we have an AI protocol that also is an oracle, we have an AI marketplace, right? Orai chain, based off of, we're using outside sources, right? We're using other chains, other oracles, other AI projects that have been around for longer. Plus, we're considering the partners. Orai chain could easily do something like 100x, get into the billions of dollars worth of market cap, considering that AI is still a narrative that's going to play really heavily over the next bull cycle. So we've done the basic fundamental research. Now let's get into the TA and see what the charts are looking at, some key levels that we need to understand to gather some more information to make the investment decision. Again, over the bull market, right? We shouldn't be hitting the peak of the bull market until late 2025. We still have a long ways to build this bag and to really get going on Orai chain and to keep up to date with the project. So let's dive into the TA. So we're looking at Orai chain here on KuCoin at the 1 week time frame. And this is exactly what I want to be seeing when I'm looking to begin to get interested in buying spot. So we have my key range high sitting at $10.80. We have my key range low at sitting at $1. And we're currently failing to reclaim 240. And it seems like we're rejecting off of that. So over the year, we've done 26%, which is pretty nice. That's something that I want to see. One thing that I want to caution when you're considering buying is you don't want to see the stochastic RSI this high up, right? When price action is not making a new high. Let's zoom in a little bit, right? It's more likely than not that when stochastic RSI comes back down to this level, like this, that price action is going to come tag this key low. And this is a key point that I'm really interested in buying Orai chain, because again, you want to get the best bang for your buck. You can dollar cost average, but technical analysis over a high enough time frame will help you make better decisions when it comes to investing. So from my perspective, $1, 1.009 makes a lot of sense from a risk to reward standpoint. And then I just want to see a high time frame range form, and this might be the beginnings of it. If this was helpful for you, make sure to like and subscribe. This is my fundamental and technical analysis on Orai chain, the Oracle AI play that will likely do, in my opinion, 100x over the next bull cycle. I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.